everyone, activity time now. Now since it's summer, we can go outside and collect lots of stuff from nature, right? From our backyard, front yard. And also these days, what do we see? We see lots of flowers and butterflies, bugs, other bugs, right? Today we are going to make butterfly, but not with the natural stuff. I have some stuff I'm going to show you all, and we are going to make a very simple butterfly. If you need help, you can always ask an adult to help you. Our arts and craft activities, as we always say that, it helps us a lot, especially the little one, right? It helps us to improve our fine motor, gross motor skills, right? And our hand-eye coordinations, right? Help us to improve our vocabulary, right? Keep making something, we can ask many questions and we can talk about the thing we are making and how we are making. All this vocabulary help our kids to develop their vocabulary. Art can help our brain's development in many ways. When we do our arts and craft, we use our both hands, our fingers, our eyes, right? And we talk. So all this thing become active when we do our arts and craft. And arts and craft make us more creative and productive, right? We can make something, whatever you would like to make, we can do through our this activity. Now, when we get engaged in our arts and craft activities, we can come up with very different and new idea. Love challenge, but we would like to work by ourselves sometimes, right? Sometimes we would like to work or do something by ourselves. So art and crafts are very good activity to do it just by ourselves. So there are lots of benefit in our arts and craft activity. Now it's time to do our activity. Let me show you all what do I have and how we are going to make our butterfly. A butterfly baggie. So to make this butterfly, what do I have here? I have pipe cleaner, a scissor, some tissue paper. So these are the leftover tissue paper from my other craft activities, and here I have some leftover construction paper. So you can use the new one or you can use just the scrap. Like you have already made something and the leftover, just don't throw it away. You can use it. And I have Ziploc bag. I'm going to use the big one. You can use small, medium or a large one. A butterfly from a regular Ziploc baggie. We have to make pieces, small pieces of our tissue paper, construction paper. We can use our scissor. If you have a baby scissor, you can use it, or you can ask an adult to make pieces of your construction paper. And for tissue, you don't need a scissor. You can just tear it, right? Tear it and crumple those paper. Let me put those little bit away, and I'm going to use this big Ziploc bag. For this part, you can ask for help, but the extra hard part of the Ziploc. But we have to keep here, this Ziploc bag has, look here, 2 lines here, right? So keep one. We are going to keep here the first one here and cut the rest. This part is not soft, so it's hard to fold it. That's why we are going to cut it off. For this part, you can always ask for help from an adult. Make sure it locks properly, right? So it does. Let's open it. Now we need to make pieces from our construction paper. With the tissue, we can just tear it. So let's tear the tissue paper like this. And something complete like this. We have more here, right? Let's make more pieces. Let's tear the red one now. The green one. Let's place those small pieces inside the Ziploc bag. Let's crumple. It's fun to do this. Let's put it in there. Paper. Let's use our construction paper too. You can use your scissor. Make pieces like this. Put the scissor away. Use your hand. Place those inside the Ziploc bag. Tear and crumple and place it inside the Ziploc. Place it here in the Ziploc bag. Put the purple one. Let's put some green. Tear the green one like this and crumble like this. Place it here. We need more. So let's don't need to fill it all the way up to here. Press like this. When you press it like this, you can hear a sound, right? We are touching fall leaves, right? Let's squeeze out the ear in the bag, right? And we have to seal it. So there will be no more air inside. We close it very tight. Here. So now we are going to use our pipe cleaner. So let's turn this one this way and squeeze it like this. Ask an adult to do this part for you. We use a green one to wrap in the middle. Now it's look like a butterfly. We need antennas for our butterfly. So first we have to wrap in the middle here, right, with the pipe cleaner. Here around the center we need a pipe cleaner to wrap it like this, and then antenna for our butterfly. So let's take the red one and wrap it like this. Okay, here, see, two pieces are here. So let's keep the length equal. Beautiful butterfly now. You can keep it like this, or you can just twirl a little bit more to secure the pipe cleaner so it won't come off. Yeah, to wrap the middle you can use same color, or you can use a different color. Our butterflies are very colorful, so we can use as much as possible, right? Our simple butterfly made from Ziploc baggie. To make this simple butterfly, we just need a Ziploc bag, pipe cleaner. If you don't have pipe cleaner, you can just use a yarn to wrap in the middle, and then, or you can use a clothespin. So hope you like it and try one today. Okay, stay well. Bye bye.